Looking to enjoy all things country living has to offer? Private, peaceful, and boasting 5 usable acres, it is my pleasure to bring to you 81 Ian Drive, Curra. Within this location, you are 15 minutes north of Gympie and minutes drive to the local service station, country club, and the proposed Curra shopping centre. The well-constructed home is positioned centre of the acreage, allowing a complete privacy wrap. With a favourable layout that features 3 sizable bedrooms with built-ins, open-plan living and dining, with the heart of the home allowing a perfect separation for preparing the evening meals. The property has endless room for all the toys, with a double bay powered shed, separate carport, with side room for the boat, caravan or motorhome. So with room for the whole family, if you can see yourself calling home sweet home, then I look forward to seeing you at our first private inspection.